Today's workshop is an opportunity to bring researchers from a variety of fields, and in particular to bring the folks from NSF and our colleagues from NIH together so that we're able to broadly explore the connections between life sciences and physical sciences. This exactly aligns with the sorts of things that go on at NIH, and together we think we can make a lot of progress in this problem.
The NIH side of this, of course, is based on the H in our name, National Institute of Health. And so where we're really focusing ultimately is not just on the most fundamental aspects of brain function, which we care a lot about, but also trying to understand its connection to brain disorders, everything from autism to Alzheimer's disease, and trying to understand how we will get at that whole area of brain disorders by having a far more detailed understanding of how the brain works, something that NSF cares about a lot. So this is an opportunity for a really important dialogue between these two agencies, and very much part of what the president envisioned when he talked about launching a brain initiative. He called it the Next Great American Project.
Well, the workshop is really bringing the right folks together. The basis of the workshop is a series of white papers that participants have written, and it's really interesting to read these papers. All these folks that have all those different interests need to come together in this workshop and identify the areas that are ripe for opportunity, the areas that are blocked by the need of a particular revolution. If we can identify those sorts of things, we can move toward overcoming those barriers.
It's really the first meeting of the Brain Initiative. The hope, though, is that as we begin to launch this thing, we'll be actually having a chance to support in a synergistic way some of the mathematical physical sciences piece of this. A lot of the computational work may very well happen at NSF. NIH is going to be working much more around technology development, thinking about some of the in vivo studies and creating a whole set of, we hope, a whole set of tools for the next generation of neuroscience studies.
We're going to encompass many more activities at both agencies. I'm looking forward to the cooperation. I think it's a real opportunity.
NSF has included all of the members of the NIH advisory group, many of the NIH staff who've been involved with the NIH brain, as well as the people from the Kavli Foundation meetings that were so much a catalyst for making the Brain Initiative take off. So by including that broad group of people, we're going to get some great ideas. We're also going to launch this effort for the first time in a way that I think is very collaborative, very inclusive. And it says to the community that we're open to lots of points of view. We're still at a point of discussing what this will be.
I think it's a really an excellent way to start at finding out what the problems are we need to work on.
For more information about the Brain Initiative, visit nsf.gov/brain.